Today on 2-Minute Presidents, I will be talking about America's first president, George Washington. Let's get into it. George Washington was born in 1732 and probably never cut down a cherry tree in his childhood. Washington was a plantation owner, member of the Continental Congress, Revolutionary War general, and president. Washington is the second wealthiest president of all time and also owned the most slaves. As a general, he was commander-in-chief of the Continental Army during the Revolutionary War. As president, he oversaw the passage of the Bill of Rights, appointed the first presidential cabinet that had 4 members, the Secretary of State, the Secretary of the Treasury, the Secretary of War, and the Attorney General. Disputes between Secretary of State Thomas Jefferson and Secretary of the Treasury Alexander Hamilton led to the formation of the first 2 major political parties, the Federalists and the Democratic Republicans. The Federalists favored a strong federal government and they liked England, while the Democratic Republicans wanted a weaker national government and preferred France. George Washington left the presidency after 2 terms, setting a trend for future presidents. Only one president, Franklin Roosevelt, has served more than 2 terms. George Washington died in 1799, 2 years after retiring. On that note, here's today's presidential tweet. I'll see you next time.